Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. Today I'm going to show you how to convert image to PDF. I'll show you 4 different tools. So let's dive in. The first tool I recommend is a small PDF. So open your favorite browser and go to smallpdf.com in your web browser. Then after that, click on the image to PDF tool from the list of available tools. After that, drag and drop your image file into the designated area or click on choose file to upload your image. Once the image is uploaded, click on the convert to PDF button. Then finally, after the conversion process is complete, you will be able to download the PDF file. As it is shown here, this is the final PDF file. It is easily converted into PDF. So the second tool I'll recommend is I Love PDF. So navigate to the I Love PDF website, ilovepdf.com in your web browser. Select the image to PDF tool from the list of available tools. Then upload your image file by clicking on select image button or by dragging and dropping the file into the designated area. After the upload is complete, just click on the convert to PDF button. Then finally, once the conversion process finishes, you have the option to download the PDF file. So as it is shown here, it is perfectly converted into PDF file. So the third method I'll recommend is just using Google Drive. So sign into your email and then go to Google Drive, drive.google.com, and then click on the new button and select the file upload to upload your image file to the Google Drive. Then after that, after the image is uploaded, right click on it and select open with Google Docs. Go to the file, then download PDF document to convert the image to PDF format. So the PDF file will be downloaded to your computer. Then as shown here, this is the final PDF file that is converted by using Google Drive. And the final method I'll recommend is just using Microsoft Word itself. So open your Microsoft Word on your computer, then click on the Insert tab and select the picture to insert your image into the Word document. Go to File, then Save As, and choose PDF as the file format from the drop-down menu. Name your PDF file and select the destination folder, then click Save to convert the image to PDF format. This is the last method. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.